Hello everyone, peace with the name of God, most gracious, most merciful. So today is the topic about the end of the world signs. So there are 6 signs of Qiyamah which is mentioned in the Quran. We will study from that first two, splitting of the moon, and second sign, the discovering the Quran 19 based mathematical code. So we will make the two part of the videos. In our first video we will study the complete details of this sign, and it is undeniable that how the 19 is mentioned in the verse, and how it is hidden, kept hidden, and who discovered it, and what are the importance, the parameters, which is undeniable, and it can say that only the God can create, who has the infinite power, and of course who is the all knowers and most gracious and most wisdom. So we will study in that, and it's a very obvious reason to see the mathematical miracles, that it is actually the God himself speaking to the all humans, that I am the one who created these miracles, I am the one who created the Quran. So there are, before going into the subjects, that what is the 19. So 1400 years before, people do not have the number system, so they were using Arabic letters or Greek letters as a numbers. So that numbers, it is called the geometrical numbers or abjad values. So this is the Arabic letter, so Wahid. That meanings of this one. And if we count individually the geometrical value of each letters, because these are the first letters, these are the second letters, these are third letters, and this is the fourth letter. So Wa is the first, this is the Alif, this is the Ha, and this is the Da. So if we count, and we add, it comes 19. So the 19 has the unique characteristics, like it is the alpha and omega, first and last letters. If you combine, then it derives as a one numbers, which is 19, plus it is a prime number, so it cannot divide by any numbers. And so God says in his mathematical form that he is the only one who created the scriptures, and he is the only one who created the universe. So if we look it into the numbers in a mathematics, or if we look on the universe, we find his unique number and his great design in a form of the mathematical structure as well. So God willing, we will study that structure, that how these miracles and who discovered the miracles. So the miracle was discovered by the Rashid Khalifa at 1974, and it is easily searchable into the Wikipedia. So he discovered the code at per the solar calendar. So 1974 he discovered the mathematical miracle of the 19 from the Quran. He even did not know about that it is the miracle where the 74 surah in the Quran, verse 30, it is mentioned that over it is 19. So God says that it is the one of the great miracle in the following verses, and it describes as one of the greatest miracle till now, since the beginning of the all the universe. This is the one of the biggest and great miracles. And it is, if we read on the Quran, we will check these verses also from the Quran, that 74 surah, there is a description about the 19 numbers. In the whole Quran, this number is only presented into this verse and this surah. And Rashid Khalifa has discovered the miracle at 1974. Now another, if we study that at the time when the Prophet Muhammad, till the time of the discovery date, if we count, this is as per the solar calendar. So we will count the year as per the lunar calendar as well. So what is the lunar calendar? So the calendars which is based on the moon and earth, that is called the lunar calendar. The earth and sun, the corresponding the calendar which is called the solar calendar. So Prophet Muhammad, the first revelation of the Quran at his age of the 40 years of his age. The Iqra Bismillah, the first Quran verse was revealed at in a cave when he himself isolated, and at the time the Quran was revealed on him. At the time his age was 40 years. Then he did a Hijri at a 52 years from Makkah to Medina. This is called after Hijri, and Islamic calendar started once he did Hijri, means he travelled from Makkah to Medina at the age of 52. So there are total 12 years difference between the Quran recitation and the Gregorian calendar, as you can say, as a lunar calendar started date, or you can say Islamic calendar started at when his age was around 52 years. And Prophet Muhammad take the parda, or either you can say that he left the earth at age of 61 to 62 years. After 9 years he left the earth. So these all the numbers which we have presented here, we can study this number into even the Wikipedia. These are the Islamic calendar in a Wikipedia. It is mentioned here that when the Islamic calendar was started. So here we can see in the front of the screen that once the Muhammad and his followers migrated from Makkah to Medina and established the first Muslim community, an event commemorated as the Hijrah. In the West, that it is easily called as the after Hijrah, and the calendar was started with the time of the parallel with the Christianity, Common Sea, Jewish era and Muslim countries. It is also sometimes denoted as a H. So this is available in a Wikipedia page in a Islamic calendars, that once the Muhammad age was 40, the Quran revealed, first verse of the Quran revelation at age of 40 years. He did the Hijrah at around 52 years from Makkah to Medina. So there are the 12 years difference between the day of Makkah to Medina. So we will see the date once the miracle was discovered was 1974. So we will convert the date and we will check it. This is the conversion numbers. In that we can put here the date of 1974. Yeah. So what are the things actually? 52 to around approximately there is a 1 year's approximate difference is there. So 1393, once we once we convert the solar calendar to lunar calendar, so we get the one date 1393. So 1393 is as per the lunar calendar, 1974 when the miracle was discovered by the Rashid Khalifa. So what happened? We will add here. Around 13 years as the time of the before the revelation, it comes exactly 1406. We can see the Muhammad lifespan around 61 to 62. So he did hijrah at approximately 52 to 53 years period of time. So there are 12 to 13 years difference, as we say approximately 13 years. Precisely if we calculate it, then it comes around 13 years difference. Once he travelled from Makkah to Medina, and during that time the new Islamic calendar started. So that is the 1393, the date when the miracle was discovered. And if we add 13 numbers, the date of the first revelation of the Quran, then there is a one number we get, it is a 1406. And that 1406 is precisely divided by 19, and it comes 19 into 74. So again it is presenting the miracles, the 19 where it is mentioned in Surah 74 verse 30, over it is 19. So now we will go in a more depth and very easy explanation that how the numbers we have derived it. So we have taken the numbers. Once the first Quran revelation at the time of Muhammad's age was 40 years. He did a hijrah at 52 to 53 years, so approximately 13 years difference was there. So we will go again in a one collaborative and one summarized way, so we can understand the miracles, and we will count that how that number is precisely mentioned into the Quran as well as. Third point, in a Quran, this is the verse where we have taken the first two words of the 74 surah. This is the 74th surah. The name, the surah itself, the hidden secret. So Allah kept the name Al-Mudattir, the meaning of the hidden secret. What does the meaning of that hidden secret? So Allah kept the 19 miracle secret till He decided to reveal by the name of the Rashid Khalifa. He chose the person to reveal that miracles. So it is actually all are transparent to all the Muslims and all other communities. It doesn't matter, because the Quran is actually revealed to all the humanity. It doesn't matter either it is Muslim or any other religions or any other communities, as the message itself, it is for all the humanity, for the peace, for the love, and to worship God alone. That is a very clear and very simple message in the Quran. There was no any other stories. All the stories, all the guidance are related with the only one message, to worship God alone, and good characteristics, and how this beautiful design is created, and it is the combination of all the mathematical numbers. So we look in the first two words. This is the 74th surah, first verse, "O you hidden secret, come out and warn." So these are the total letters and meanings. If we count, then Ya ayyuhal mudassir kum fa'anzir. So we count the abjad value, as we have already explained that wahid, how we calculated, and that is even available in the internet as well, in a Wikipedia. If we search in a Wikipedia abjad value, we get the abjad numerals. From these abjad numerals only we have taken these all the numbers of the first 19 letters of the Surah 74. As Surah 74, verse 1 and 2, where it is precisely mentioned about the message that, "O you hidden secret, come out and warn. Ya ayyuhal mudassir kum fa'anzir." the meaning of this verse, there are total 19 letters. You can have the Quran, you can count and you can verify these two verses complete Arabic letters. And Ya ayyuhal mudassir kum fa'anzir. This is the translation of this Arabic word, and the translation of this, O you the covered, arise, so on. So if we take these 19 letters from the chapter 74, first two verses where it is precisely describes about the 19 miracles which is hidden into this verse, and how it is hidden we are going to check that verse itself also. But first we will look that if we count all the 19 letters, first 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18 and 19. So all these 19 letters, if we add their abjad value again we have to say, we are saying that we have taken all the abjad value from this table only, where alif has a 1 value, ba has a 2 value, yan has a 10 value, and ra has a 2 value. So from this table we have taken all these completely from this table only. If we take the first two letters, first two verses of the 74 surah, the name of the surah Al-Mudattir, the hidden secret, and if we take the two verses and we exactly get the total 1974, this is the third confirmation that in this surah God says about the 19 miracles. So it's undeniable, precisely how is the 1400 years before the Prophet Muhammad knew about these miracles, that and how he could have wrote all these numbers according to the abjad value and beautiful Arabic structures, and how he can even create a poem that it is impossible. That is only the God can create. It's a very simple logic behind that, that no any humanity or no any human has that ability to do. So this is a very clear indication that are the 19 letters again, and that 19 letters and 74 surah, where the 74 surah 30 verse, and we will check now that verse and we will confirm about the miracles, what are the miracles about the 19 is mentioned in the verse. So these are the 4 surah, the 74 surah, and if we go towards the verse 30, this is 74, 25 up to verse, and we will go to the 26 to 50, and once we come here 74, 30, over it is 19. Alayha tisata asra. Tisata 10 and 9 asra. Over it is 19. And if we look the later verses, we can find out that what the hidden meaning of this verse. We appointed angels to the guardian of hell, and we assigned their numbers to disturb the disbelievers. The disbeliever means who is not believing in the God and who is not believing in his scriptures. It is convinced to the Christian Jews that this is a divine scripture to strengthen the faith of the faithful. So if who are believing into the God and his scripture, it will increase the faith of those believers, to remove all the traces of doubt from the heart of the Christian Jews as well as the believers. So it doesn't related to any one community. It at the time of that era there were major community was the Jews, Christians and other believers. So it combines to all the communities during that time, and to expose those who harbor doubt in their heart and the disbeliever, they will say, what did God mean by this allegory? God does send astray whomever he wills and guides whomever he wills. None knows the soldier of your Lord except he. This is the reminder of the people. So the people actually till now, before the discovery of these 19 miracles, they were thinking that this is actually the descriptions about the soldiers or about the angels at the guardian of the hell. But here God says that none knows the soldier of your Lord except he. So this is the 19 miracles. It clearly says about the miracles which is kept hidden, and once the God choose the person to reveal the miracles, because he knows that who has the ability to spread his message, and at the right time and correct particular time, as we see that it is precisely discovered on 1974 by the Rashid Khalifa. And if we see the words at the time of the revelation of the Quran, this is as per the solar calendar, and as per the lunar calendar, if we take the 40 years once at the age of the Prophet Muhammad, and after Hijri at his 53 years, so there are almost 13 years gap, and after Hijri, the Hijri of the Islamic calendar started, and we have already seen that 1974 correlates with the 1393, the lunar calendar, precisely at the time of solar calendar. So if we add 1393 plus 13, then it comes the one number 1406, which is even the multiple of the 19 and 74. Again it diverts to the word 74 and 30, that over it is 19, and this is a great miracle that again the God confirms that this is the confirmation that it will disturb the disbelievers, it will strengthen the faith of the faithful, and it will remove the doubt. If we have the doubt in the scripture that either this is a scripture or God or not, so it will remove the doubt to those who are not believing, and still they have something in their heart that this is not a perfect scripture, or it is a human made scripture either. So it will remove all the doubts from their hearts, and it confirms that to expose to who have the doubt in the disbeliever, and at the same time it will expose either if we present the proof and this strong evidence, still there are people who will not understand, because ultimately the guidance comes from the God only, and he likes the intention, whose intention is he likes and he does not like, that is, it is God hands only. So if we go for ahead, that God says that this is one of the great miracles, and God itself swear by the moon and the night as it passes, and the morning at its signs. It's a complete universe structure, like day and night, how it is going. So God swear the moon, day passes, day and night, the structure of the how he created day and night. This is the one of the great miracles, clearly says God here. So how we can deny it? This is the one of the greatest miracles. 19 miracles is one of the great miracles, and it is only the God who has created it, and at the right time by the Rashid Khalifa has presented these miracles to the whole world, because God has chosen him to discover at 1974 at the precisely the date of the lunar calendar, at the time of the first Quran revelation from the age of the Prophet Muhammad we have taken, where his age of 40, the Quran revelation from the date started to the discovery date. This is the discovery date at the 1393. If we add precisely, it is again 19 into 74, and again the third confirmation from the surah itself, that if we go into first, and if we count the first, oh you hidden secret, come out and warn, if we count the complete geometrical value, again it comes 1974. So how many proofs God has given us? That these are the 19 first 2 verse letters. These are the 19 letters. If we take the other abjad value, it comes again 1974. So solid proof. First proof, second proof, third proof. It's a clear indication to all humanity that this is the one of the great miracles, and it is kept hidden till the 1974. Once God choose, he is one of the submitter, Rashid Khalifa, who discovered the miracles without knowing all of these combination, because it is destined, it is already designed into the Quran at the time of all the creation of the universe. God knows the time and space and all the minute details. So he created the word and letter according to these miracles, because he wanted to show to all humanity that this is the my scripture. So learn it and get the wisdom and get the knowledge and try to follow this beautiful the rules behind it. It's a very simple and very peace and love is constantly spreading into the Quran. There are no any hatredness. It is purely on a worship God alone, and the scripture can unite all the humanity in the world. It is for to unite to all humanities. It's not only individual, any one community. Actually, it is for all humans. And hope this able to understand the complete the structure of the Quran with the simple mathematical numbers, that how it is correlated with each other, the solar calendar, the lunar calendar, and the total object value. We can again confirm this object value here. If we put these letters, these two words, Ya Ayyuhal Mudassira Kum Anzir. This is the 74 first and 2 verses as total 19 letters. We have seen already in here, we have already seen these 19 letters, the same letters. If we count it, this is the website where you can count the object calculators. So if you put and if you put on the press go, it counts the 1974. Again it confirms, and you can even count by yourself, and you can copy these two verses and you can get the same letter, or you can even individually, if you are not aware about the Arabic value, if you already knows about the Arabic, you can individually count from the Wikipedia and you get the precisely 1974 numbers. So how can these all the numbers are directing towards the 74 surah and 30 verse? So we will see one more correlated things with that verse. We are 74 surah. Again we want to emphasize that this is the hidden secret, the name Al-Mudattir, the meaning of this, the hidden secret or kept secret. So God kept the secret and come out and warn. So these two letters, again it comes the 1974, total 19 letters, and geometrical value, object value comes 1974. Rashid Khalifa has discovered the miracles in a solar calendar. This is the first proof, this is the second proof, 1974, and lunar calendar 13 plus 1393. At the time of the discovery till since the revelation of the Quran, total lunar years comes at a 1406 equal to 19 into 74. This is the third confirmation. So how the Muhammad able to do it? It's not possible. And once in his 40 years of age, once the Quran was revealed, God knows. At the time of the Rashid Khalifa, when he will discover precisely, it comes into the multiple of 19 and 74, where in Surah 74 it is precisely describes about the miracle 19, over it is 19. So this is very beautiful design. And again in the 75 God says this is the one of the great miracles, clearly says one of the great, and God himself swear by the moon, by the night, by the signs, and this is the one of the great miracles, a warning to the human race. Again it is a warning, clear warning to worship him alone, to follow his scripture. So it's a clear warning to the all humans as well. And again says, for those among you who wish to advance or regress, every soul is stepped by its sins except for those on the right. So clear indication here. Plus if we check here, the 74 surah and 30 verse, the 30 is the composite number. This number is the composite number. What does the composite number means? So this is the program where we can relate the composite number and the prime numbers and find the index value of the number. So we will put here 100. So it find all the composite number till the hundreds. So the 100, the composite number is a 74, but the beautiful thing is that the 30 number, the position in a composite number is a 19. See, the value is here. So first composite number is the 4, second is 2, 6 and 8, the respective the index value, and we can see here that 30 composite number has the 19 position in the composite number index. So see the structure itself, it is a 19 composite number. It's a precisely, it's a 19 composite number. And see the beautiful design. How can the Prophet Muhammad knew about this? It's not, it's above any, there are no any words to explain those things, but it is only the God can do it. It's a very simple logic that God has says over it is 19, and it's a precise structure between this 74 number also. We will study that also with this one also, that how these number are related with the first sign of the Al-Qamar, the time, how this 100 number is there related. That also we can see that 541, Surah 54, the first verse, it says that the splitting the moon, about the splitting moon. And 541 is a prime number, and the position of the prime number is 100. So there are all the numbers are each other related. That what we are trying to say, that 74 number, the 100 has the position of the 74, and that number is even linked with the 541. So hope that it helps you to enjoy these videos, and we are trying hard to make the video so we can spread the message of God, that this is the scripture for all humanity. And please subscribe the channel and spread towards the group, as the people can understand the meaning of the Quran, and they can see that it is a message of love, it is a message of the peace and worship God alone. And if you read the Quran, you get the real meaning behind that, that it says the what actually the describes in the world, and what it says in the Quran. If you read it yourself, and you find the secret behind that, how it is complex structure mathematically, but easily explained to all the humans can understand. At the time of the Prophet Muhammad, the people can understand the Quran, and the time of this modern structure and science structure, even we can read the Quran and we can relate. At the time of the Prophet Muhammad, the people were reading. So this type of the combination which is not relating with any time and space, who can do it? That one only the God can create such a structure. Either you read it 1400 years before, or you read it after, or maybe after 200 years you read it, you cannot even find any contradiction between any verses. So who can do this type of structure? Only the, obviously the God can do, who has the control over the time and space, and who knows that what is the going to be happen into the future. So it is actually says that the Quran, the meaning won't affect any time and space. It is a very constant. You can read it anytime, anywhere, either past, future or present. You get the meanings, and you get the secrets, and you get the rules, and you get the order, and you get the story and guidance. It is unchangeable. God willing, we will soon update the next video about the 54 and splitting moon. So please subscribe the channel so you get that update also, inshallah. Yeah, so one more thing we have to add. The Rashid Khalifa who discovered the miracles 1974, 19 miracles, and at the time of 1974, his name, the Rashid, that means the good characters and virtue. It is precisely mentioned in the Quran 19 times. And which verses also, we are going to say, tell you about the verses itself, that in which verses it is mentioned. Now these are the all verses where the Arabic word Rashad which means the righteous. It comes in those 19 times into the Quran. So Rasad meaning the right. So if we check all the verses where the Rasad name is appeared in the Quran 19 times. So he is the one Allah chose to discover these 19 miracles from Surah 74 verse 30, where it kept hidden till the 1400 years. No one could able to identify the miracles, but he chose the person, and he, because suppose if he reveal the name of the Rasad, then many Muslim would have kept, or many other communities would have kept the name. So to keep the name hidden, he chooses the word Arabic righteous. Rasad means it is the meaning the right, and according to that letters you count, it comes precisely 19 times into the Quran. So these all the 19 miracles are correlated with the 1974 when he discovered the miracle. As per the solar calendar, as per the lunar calendar, it comes again 1406, 19 into 74. Precisely this 74 Surah 1 and 2. Both the verses where it says about the kept hidden and come out and won. Precisely the 19 letters and the total geometrical value, it comes 1974. 74 Surah, 30 verse. 74 Surah, 30 verse, it is mentioned about over it is 19. This 30 is the composite number, and position we have seen that it is a 19 also. So all are correlated, and it obvious sign that God is the one who created, and God is the one who appointed to discover these miracles to all the humanities.